Straight up and down, yo, you know what I'm about. Knock the niggas off, knock the niggas out. Word.
Yeah. DFW, the heartland of Texas, got more drama than the young and restless. Dare anybody to come and test us, then you're gonna see how the good Lord blessed us. Modern day outlaws with southern pride, all we wanna do is smoke, drink, and ride. Stack our money till they touch the sky, got an attitude of do or die. Cause here at our camp we laugh at death, like y'all didn't know we the Wild West. Quit that bumping and save your breath, you're gonna need that when it hits your chest. 2 steel slugs and nothing less, 2 steel slugs, now there's nothing left, except for your family to cash the check and pay for your funeral to put you to rest. It's that DF Dub, down for whatever, for pimps and thugs that don't get no better. From Southside, rolling through Stop 6 to Pleasant Grove and then Oak Cliff. It's that DF Dub, down for whatever. It's the DF Dub, where we always get better. DF Dub, where we all about cheddar. DF Dub.